as you guys can see, the bottom running lights on the right side of my truck are not working, and that's why we got the LED ones. So we're going to switch this side and that side with the LED ones. And yeah, I still got to get a bow tie for the grill. Alrighty guys, so we got to where we're going to put the lights in and hopefully the door speakers. So sorry about the flicker, my Milwaukee light does that on the camera sometimes. So we're going to go ahead and pull the headlight clips out, or the pins. And then I'm going to remove this headlight gently. Hopefully. Got the top headlight removed. I just undid the wires for it. And down in here, you can kind of see, maybe, there is a clip right under that wire right there with my finger. You guys a little comparison. Stock original. LED. Alrighty, so that's both sides done. Both turn signals and running lights changed to LEDs. Now we're gonna move on to the next project.